In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you exactly how you can start copy trading on Bitunix and passively earn income. First, of course, you need to create an account on the Bitunix exchange, and I highly recommend you go below this video and click that link, because that link will activate a 10% trading fee discount when you sign up for a new account with that link. After clicking the link in the video description, you will get to exactly this page right here. And there you can see you get a 10% trading fee cashback every time you place a trade, which will save you a ton of money. So I highly recommend you will take advantage of this. Once you have created your Bitunix account, you of course need some funds on the exchange. You can deposit cryptocurrencies. Alternatively, you can also buy cryptos in the top left corner. Now we need the funds in the spot wallet. This is important. Bitunix needs the funds in the spot wallet in order to start copy trading. So make sure that you have the funds in the spot wallet. Okay, so go to your spot account and make sure that you have some USDT over there. It must be USDT in the spot wallet. If you have funds on the futures wallet, simply click on transfer right here and then click on from the USDT M account to the spot account in case you have money there, and then transfer USDT to the spot wallet. I have USDT right here in my spot wallet, 382 USDT, so I can start copy trading right away. When you're on the Bitunix homepage, you can see on the top left side, you can see the copy trading option right here. Click on this. And now we are in the Bitunix copy trading dashboard. Here we will see all of the available traders. We can analyze their performance. We can compare them and really see which trader we should copy. These traders are called lead traders. And every time the lead trader makes profits for his copy traders, he gets 10% of the profits. So let's assume you make $100 with a copy trade. You actually get $90 and the lead trader gets $10. So a 10% profit split, which is definitely a fair thing. But you also need to keep in mind, if the lead trader loses money, you also lose money. But of course, if he wins money, you also win money. So just be aware that there are also some risks involved. Now I want to look at the performance. We can sort for 7 days, 30 days and 90 days. Let's just go to 30 days so we can see how they were performing in the last month. We can see the P&L, which means the dollar amount which they made in profit. We can see, for example, here he made 28,000 for his copiers, which is amazing. We can also see the return of investment, which looks at the percentage gains, which is 89,000, which is absolutely incredible. Then we can look at the win rate, which means how many trades he won against how many trades he lost. And then we can look at AUM. AUM stands for assets under management. We can see, for example, this guy has 1.5 million. This guy has 100,000. In my opinion, the most important statistic is P&L, because we really want to know how much money did the copiers actually make. So in this case, they made 28,000, which is definitely amazing. Let's click on this guy and now let's compare his statistics. First of all, we can see all of his stats like assets under management, the profits of his followers, how many followers he has, days he has been trading, and the profit share, which is 10%. Now we can see in the bottom section how many positions he has open. Right now there is none. Now in the position history, this is very interesting because we can see which trades did he take, how much leverage did he use, how long did he hold the trades, what is his ROI, what is his P&L. So we can see this guy has been performing incredibly well. Most of his trades have been winners, which is definitely a very good thing. So this guy seems to be a pretty reliable trader. Then we can also look at all of the individual transactions right here. We can look at the transfer history, how much money was transferred in and out. Then we can also look here at the followers, so we can really see how much money each follower has made, which is also a very transparent feature from Bitunix. Once you have found a trader you want to copy, like for example in this case, I want to now copy this guy. You can click on copy on the right hand side. However, be aware that this is not an endorsement, so I'm not saying you should copy this guy or this is safe. At the end of the day, trading is still risky. If he loses money, you will lose money. If he wins money, you will win money. In this case, let's just copy this guy on the right hand side. We click on copy. And now we have two sections. Let's first cover the multiplier section. Multiplier means we are using a multiple of what the lead trader is using. So if the lead trader uses 10% of his portfolio, you will also use 10% of your portfolio. Let's say the lead trader trades with $100,000 and opens a trade with $10,000, that's 10%. So let's say you have $1,000 then in this case, you would of course open a trade with $100. So it's always a multiple, right? So look at the percentage. In this case, 10% was just an example. Now we can decide how much we want to put in here. Let's just start with $100. And then we can add a stop loss. So you can say, for example, if the price goes down 1%, I want to be out of the trade, or 5% or 10%. This is really different for everybody. Everybody has different risk management. In this case, I will just leave it open. So I fully copied the exact strategy that this trader is using. Then you have an advanced options section right here. And now we can select the margin mode, for example, cross and isolated. I also use same as the trader because, again, I really want to copy the whole strategy. Isolated is usually a bit more safe because only one individual position can be liquidated. However, you can't offset losses with wins. So let's say you have two trades open. One trade is negative, one trade is positive. The negative trade will eventually be liquidated even when you are very profitable with the other trade. Cross margin, however, can actually offset wins and losses. So you can keep some trades open for longer and then hope that the other trade also goes into profit. As I said before, it really depends on the strategy. I will use the same as the trader, and I usually use cross margin myself because this is really for advanced trading, which basically means you are hedging. So you can offset wins and losses. Now for the leverage, I also use the same as the trader. However, if you want to use better risk management and you say, okay, I want less risk, you can set this to 1 or 2, something very low, because obviously higher leverage usually means higher risk and you will be liquidated quicker. So if you want to have risk management, set this to a low number. In my case, I will use same as the trader again. Then also here, risk management. This will look at the percentage of the current position. And also we have a slippage right here, which I don't really think it is important. The liquidity on Bitunix is very good. So I also leave this open. So I don't use any of these settings. But as I said, maybe you have some specific risk management tools or strategies. You can change that here. I think leverage is really the only interesting thing to change here. Then on the right-hand side, we have fixed amount. So we can say every time we want to enter a trade with $50. So first of all, you need to put in how much you want to copy with, for example, $300. And then here at the top, you select how much every single trade will be. So for example, every trade I want to enter with $50. Okay, so every time the lead trader opens a trade, you will enter with 50. So no matter what's the percentage of his portfolio compared to the position, it doesn't matter. This really always takes $50 and enters the trade here. Then you also have the stop loss option right here, for example, like 5%. So if the price goes down 5%, then we also exit the trade. I will go with multiplier because I think that is usually better because this copies the whole strategy of the lead trader, and I will leave the rest open. Then I have read the terms and conditions, the user agreement. Please read this and be aware of the risks, okay? Copy trading is definitely a great tool to make passive income from professional traders. But as I said before, if the trader loses money, you will also lose money. So make sure that you are aware of the risks and all of the pros as well. Now I click on copy right here. And now we have initiated a copy trade. Now we are back in the dashboard from the copy trading section. You can get back there by clicking on it right here. Now we can see right here all of our copy trades. We can click on this on the right hand side, and now we can manage this. We can transfer more money inside, we can end it, or we can change some settings. So you can see Bitunix offers a lot of flexibilities here, which is one of the key reasons why I absolutely love copy trading on Bitunix. If you are done copy trading, you can click on End on the right hand side, which will immediately pull out all of the funds from the copy trade. If you want to get started with Bitunix copy trading, I recommend you create a new account with the link in the video description, because this link will apply a specific code and this code will give you a 10% trading fee discount. So every time you make a trade, you get back 10% of the fees, which will save you a lot of money. So when you click this link right here, you will get to exactly this page, and here you can see the referral code section, and here this code 10OFF is applied, and then you will see this text right here which confirms that you have properly activated this discount. So every time you make a trade, you get back 10%, which is an incredible deal and will save you a lot of money trading on Bitunix. Simply create your account with the link in the video description, create a new account, then you also get some really nice benefits and bonuses, and you will get the best trading fees on the Bitunix exchange. For more guides and tutorials, you can check out other links in the video description. We have more guides on Bitunix as well. For example, how to deposit, how to trade, how to set up Google Authenticator. We have everything covered. Additionally, we also have written full articles and guides on our official website, which is cryptowinrate.com.